Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect.
Today we're going to show you how to replace a flipper mullion on our French door refrigerator. The flipper mullion creates an airtight seal between the closed refrigerator doors. A small heater inside the flipper mullion prevents condensation from forming on the mullion. You'll need to replace the flipper mullion if it's damaged or when its heater quits working, causing the flipper mullion to sweat. Shut off the house circuit breaker for the refrigerator or unplug the refrigerator. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the center flipper mullion bracket. Slightly lift the flipper mullion and release it from its top and bottom brackets. Then unplug the flipper mullion wire harness. Hold the new flipper mullion near the door and connect the flipper mullion wire harness. Attach the flipper mullion to the top and bottom mounting brackets. Align the center bracket mounting holes and install the mounting screws. Plug the power cord into the wall outlet or reset the house circuit breaker for the refrigerator. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at SearsPartsDirect.com/DIY. We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.